Okay, after you finish tracing the entire cartoon, we need to add well, actually, you need to group it. So you need to select the whole thing. Oh, it's locked. Select the whole thing and all the paths, and then go modify group selection, right? And that puts it all in a group, and you can relabel. You can double click and label it ink drawing, right? And now we need to add a signature. So we're going to go file, open. Let's see if we can find a signature here. So we have a signature, right? And I'm going to ungroup it. Ungroup because it seemed to have grouped and everything. Ungroup. Just one. Let's just have this one, right? And we can go edit, copy. Go to, what is this? This is something else. This one. You go edit, paste, make it smaller, and put it somewhere where you want to like sign your artwork. There you go, like that. And then we need to go ahead and save it. Save it. And then you need to export it, right? We need to export it. File, export. And we're going to go to scalable vector graphic. And you're going to put your last name dash first name dash cartoon, because it's just black and white, right? Cartoon. Oh, and then we need to add the 3-letter file extension. And you can see right here it says scalable vector graphic is dot or period SVG, and right here it says SVG. And you can see it right there. So we're going to do period, like a dot, SVG, and save it there. And then you're just going to go back and submit it into the classroom. All right, that's it.